back to my vlog. Again, this is Teacher Ben and we have a new vlog for today. Pasensya na po pag meron po kayong maririnig dyan ng mga manok dyan kasi nandito po tayo sa farm. Biro lang, nandito po tayo sa bahay. And of course, meron tayong mga manok dito, mga manok na pula. So, we're going to do some artworks today. But before that, I have to unbox first. Mag-unbox po muna tayo ng in-order ko po sa Shoppee. In-order ko po sa Shoppee na art materials. So, dito na po siya. So, this one from JNT Express. So, diba? From JNT Express. Ayan, JNT Express. And in-order ko po siya from ArtHaven by Hannah Olave. Yung shop po nila yung nandun sa Barangay Lumbang, Likas City, Batangas. So, I ordered it and napakabilis po niya. So, I'm not an artist po, but we'll try. So, we're going to do the unboxing first. So, for only 496 pesos, meron na po tayong art materials. So, we'll see kung maganda ba yung in-order ko dito. Saan ba ako dito? Okay, dito na siya. So, I ordered acrylic color set. Okay, acrylic. Ayan. And of course, tada! Hindi makukumpleto pag walang paintbrush. So, this one, ilang paintbrush ba to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 types of paintbrushes. Thank you, ArtHaven. And of course, hindi naman talaga ito kumpleto pag wala tayong artist canvas pad. So, it has ilang pieces ba? 10 sheets. So, imagine nyo guys, 496 pesos. Meron akong art materials and makakapag-painting na rin ako. Kahit hindi ako marunong mag-art. So, let's try. Baka naman po, meron tayong hidden talent at ngayon pa lang natin na-discover. Okay. siya, diba? Beginner na beginner. Pero okay po. Ang galing po ng art material and I really recommend po ArtHavenPH.